Well, it's nothing they thought of me as the girl most likely, yeah. Girl most likely to wind up in a gin. They judge by the way I look, not by the way I stand. Well, I guess it's true, I look the part, developing fast, not my fault. Didn't know my sex appeal showed through those made-over clothes and button-down shoes. The doctor's son is hiding out, and the whole town knows what that's all about because the evidence is plain. It ain't me, it's Susie Jane, the girl most likely, yeah. The girl most likely. Susie's daddy is on the run, and he sure looks funny with a shotgun. Well, the bills can't wait till June. It better be now or else real soon. Susie J is in a jam. Well, listen to that gun go when. Some of that talk is dying down, and there's a lot of most likelies in this town. Just because a house needs a coat of paint, that don't mean the girl